If you want more control over your clips in Adobe Premiere on mobile, here's everything you need to know. Move to the moment in your clip you want the cut to appear. Tap the clip in the timeline. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a split icon appear. Tap it. Your clip is now divided into two separate sections, and you can work with each one independently. Let's delete the extra footage. Tap the clip you want to remove, then tap Delete in the bottom toolbar. One thing to keep in mind: the main timeline is magnetic, meaning when you delete a clip, everything else automatically snaps together to fill the gap. If your clips are in the wrong order, just long press the clip you want to move until it lifts, then drag it left or right to its new position, and release. The rest of your timeline adjusts automatically. For layered edits, you can move clips from the main track to an overlay track. Tap the clip, then tap Move Up in the bottom toolbar. You can also drag it up manually. This is how to layer multiple clips at once, or layer graphics on top of your footage. One important note: overlay clips are linked to the main timeline. If you move or delete the main clip beneath them, the overlay clip moves or disappears too. To bring a clip back down, tap the same button. It'll now say Move to Main. Duplicating clips is a quick way to copy-paste. Tap the clip, then tap Duplicate in the bottom toolbar. It's also easy to swap a clip in your timeline for a different shot from your camera roll. Tap the clip, then tap Replace in the bottom toolbar. Your photo library opens, and you'll see a banner at the top showing the length of the clip you're replacing. Here's an important thing to know: your replacement clip needs to be the same length or longer than the original. Adobe Premiere needs enough footage to fill that spot on your timeline, so make sure you select the right clip for replacement. To flip a clip, scroll the bottom toolbar and tap Flip H for a horizontal mirror, or Flip V to flip it vertically. The change is instant, and you can keep editing from there. Now, let's look at the top toolbar to change the aspect ratio of your project. Tap the aspect ratio icon in the top toolbar and choose a format. All clips update instantly, and if there's any empty space around your footage, Adobe Premiere will automatically blur the background to fill it. You can adjust or remove that blur from the background option in the toolbar. And that's your full toolkit for managing clips in Adobe Premiere on iPhone.